In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with WordPress in 2025, step by step. We'll start by making sure you can access both platforms you'll be working with. First, go to Salesforce and log into your account. Then open your WordPress admin dashboard by going to your site's WP admin area. Having both dashboards ready will make the setup process much smoother. Next, choose the Salesforce integration method that fits your website best. There are a few common options here. You can use a dedicated Salesforce WordPress plugin, connect forms through tools like WP Forms, Gravity Forms, or Contact Forms 7, use Salesforce Web-to-Lead Forms, or rely on an automation tool such as Zapier. The best option depends on how you collect data and how much control you want over the integration. Once you've decided on your method, install a WordPress integration plugin if that's the route you're taking. Inside WordPress, go to Plugins, then Add New. Search for a Salesforce integration plugin and install and activate it. Popular options include WP Forms, Gravity Forms, and tools that work with Zapier. After activation, you'll usually find the integration settings inside the plugin's main settings area. Now switch back to Salesforce and create a connected app. Click the gear icon, choose Setup, search for App Manager, and then click New Connected App. Here, you'll enter the connected app name, a contact email, and the callback URL provided by your WordPress plugin. That callback URL is important because it allows Salesforce and WordPress to complete the secure connection. After that, enable API access inside the connected app settings. Turn on OAuth settings, then select the scopes you need, including access to manage your data through the API and the option to perform requests on your behalf at any time using refresh token or offline access. Save the connected app when you're done. Once the app is saved, Salesforce will generate a consumer key and consumer secret. These are the credentials your WordPress site will use to connect securely to Salesforce, so keep them safe and only use them inside your plugin settings. Now return to WordPress and open the plugin settings. Enter the consumer key and consumer secret, then authorize the Salesforce connection and complete the OAuth login process. This is what actually links the two systems together. After the connection is active, map your WordPress fields to the correct Salesforce fields. For example, name can map to lead name, email to email, phone to phone, company to company, and message to description. Careful field mapping helps make sure data lands in the right place. Finally, test the integration by submitting a test form on your website. Then log into Salesforce, open leads or contacts, and confirm that the submission appears correctly. If everything looks good, your Salesforce and WordPress integration is ready to use.